Gut health explained. 12 questions answered. Your gut controls far more than digestion. It influences your immune system, your mood, your brain, and even your long-term disease risk. Yet most people don't really understand what gut health is, or how to fix it. In this video, we're answering the 12 most common gut health questions, using science-backed insights to help you restore your gut naturally. Question 1. What is gut health? Gut health refers to how well your digestive system functions and how balanced your intestinal bacteria are. A healthy gut digests food efficiently, absorbs nutrients properly, protects against harmful microbes, and communicates with your immune system and brain. When your gut is unhealthy, the effects ripple throughout the entire body. Question 2. What is the gut microbiome? The gut microbiome is the community of trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms living primarily in your large intestine. A diverse microbiome produces compounds like butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that fuels gut cells, strengthens the gut lining, reduces inflammation, and supports brain health through the gut-brain axis. Question 3. Symptoms of poor gut health. Signs of poor gut health aren't just digestive. They include bloating, constipation, diarrhea, acid reflux, food sensitivities, fatigue, brain fog, anxiety, depression, skin problems, and frequent infections. Many people treat symptoms without realizing the gut is the root cause. Question 4. How can I improve gut health? Improving gut health isn't about quick fixes, it's about daily habits. Focus on whole foods, increase fiber gradually, manage stress, get quality sleep, spend time outdoors, and avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Small changes consistently applied can shift your microbiome in just weeks. Question 5. Foods that are bad for gut health. Certain foods damage the gut microbiome over time. These include ultra-processed foods, refined sugars, soda, artificial sweeteners, excess alcohol, industrial seed oils, fast food, and food additives like carrageenan and emulsifiers. These foods increase inflammation and weaken the gut barrier. Question 6. Are probiotics necessary? Probiotics aren't always necessary. They can be helpful after antibiotics or digestive illness, but long-term gut health depends more on prebiotics, the fibers that feed beneficial bacteria. Food-based strategies work better than supplements alone. Question 7. Can gut health affect mental health? Yes, directly. The gut and brain communicate through nerves, immune signals, hormones, and microbial metabolites like butyrate. Poor gut health has been linked to anxiety, depression, brain fog, and cognitive decline. Supporting the gut supports emotional and mental resilience. Question 8. Role of fiber in gut health. Fiber is one of the most powerful tools for gut health. Gut bacteria ferment fiber into short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which strengthen the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and improve immune and metabolic health. Vegetables, legumes, berries, oats, and carrot fiber are excellent sources. Question 9. Can you have too much good bacteria? Surprisingly, yes. Conditions like SIBO, or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, occur when bacteria grow in the wrong place. Symptoms include bloating, discomfort, and nutrient deficiencies. Balance and location matter more than quantity. Question 10. How stress impacts gut health. Chronic stress disrupts gut movement, alters bacterial balance, increases gut permeability, and interferes with the gut nervous system. Stress management, through sleep, breathing exercises, movement, and mindfulness, is essential for healing the gut. Question 11. Gut health and the immune system. About 70% of your immune system resides in your gut. A healthy microbiome trains immune cells to respond properly, while gut imbalance increases inflammation, allergies, autoimmunity, and infection risk. Supporting gut health is foundational for immune resilience. Question 12. Are there tests for gut health? Yes. Options include comprehensive stool tests, microbiome sequencing, SIBO breath tests, inflammatory markers, and organic acid testing. These tests can identify imbalances, but results should always be interpreted with a qualified healthcare professional. Gut health isn't about perfection, it's about rebuilding balance. When you support your gut, you support your digestion, immunity, brain, mood, and long-term health. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more science-based health insights, and check the description for additional resources.